Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your operating system and selecting the correct tool so the remap will apply system-wide. Once chosen, install or open the utility and grant any required permissions. This avoids permission failures later. Make sure to back up the current layout or export a profile so you can revert if needed. Now locate the section for key assignments or a raw keycode input. This is where you will make the first concrete change to a single key mapping. You now define the actual mapping, specifying the source key and the target action or key code. Use scan codes when available for precision. Once defined, decide whether you need modifiers or a toggle layer for temporary behavior. This prevents accidental remaps. Apply the mapping and immediately test it in a simple text editor or terminal so you can observe side effects. If the result is wrong, tweak the entry and reapply. Iterative testing is faster than large simultaneous changes. You finish by saving the configuration as a named profile and enabling automatic loading at startup so the remap persists. Once done, verify the keys in all critical applications because global remaps can conflict with app shortcuts. Adjust exceptions if needed. If something breaks, first revert to your backup profile. Next, check that the remapping service has the necessary permissions or restart it. If problems persist, remove recent changes one at a time to isolate the conflict and restore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.